Hello everyone, my name is Richie and welcome to my channel Rich and Lux. So if you love unboxings, luxury, and anything in between, I would like to invite you to please subscribe and like and share this video because today I'm gonna do an unboxing. It's actually a birthday unboxing, what I got for my birthday, and I just wanted to share them with you, and I'm so happy that I got these pieces, and let's get on it. So let us start with this LilySilk box. I love LilySilk. If you have been watching me or my videos, I have unboxing that I had before. I'm gonna link it up here. I got those silk pillows, and so here I got, it's been on my wish list for the longest time. I don't know if you can guess. I got a free socks here. It's like a nice packaging here, and I got the silk pajamas. 100% silk pajamas with gold trimmings. So I got the long sleeve one and it was on sale. That's the only way I was able to buy this because it's very expensive. This is 100% silk, and I'm telling you, with my pillowcase, like your skin just kind of looks for that smooth silky feel every time I switch it with my linen pillowcases. But anyways, so that's the first one I got for myself. These are all presents for myself, and I'll also show you some that I got from my husband and my kids. Anyways, that's number one. Let's go with number two. Ta-da! I got Chanel, and I got an item from the Chanel Factory 5 anniversary collection. It's nothing much. I just wanted to get like just a small piece from the collection just to have a souvenir. The ones that I wanted were already all sold out, so I just at least, you know, got this small one that I can also use other than its main purpose. So this is the N95 silk. So the only reason I got this is because I want to use the tin container. This is the only one I got from this Chanel Factory 5 anniversary edition. So I got the soap. I'm probably gonna use this tin can for those little samples, perfume samples, or maybe like hair ties, whatnot. So that's the only reason, and plus, you know, got a little souvenir from the collection. I really don't like the original number 5 perfume, but I think with just this soap it doesn't really overpower. I do have the number 5 low, which is a little bit fresher and more, you know, modern smelling, so it smells good. There you go. But yeah, so this is what I got, number 2 for myself. They also gave me some, you know, for the kids, coloring book and some samples. I think I only got one sample below. So that's gift number 2, and now let's go to gift number 3. All right, so this is box number 3. It is a big box, but sorry to disappoint, it's not a bag, it's just the packaging, and it's heavy. I don't know if you can guess it right. So let's just go ahead and unbox this. I've been waiting for a long time. I mean, my birthday's passed and I haven't really opened it. Well, I took a peek, but I'm just really opening it right now. I've been so busy that I didn't have time to film. So here it is, guys. It's so big, and it is a, ta-da! Oh, it's heavy. Probably know what it is already. I love that they gave me this box. It's actually bought from online, but I've been eyeing this for a long time and it's always not available. So this is a Louis Vuitton natural history of all their bags, but it's the French edition. So I mean, I took 6 units of French in college, but I don't know. So good luck with that, right? So yeah, I'm happy about this because also I'm decorating our built-in. I love the aesthetics of this book. So let's actually open this. So here it is, guys. It's encased in this nice casing with this, I don't know what kind of fabric this is, but it's so cool. So it is in French. Hope I understand it. So really nice book. all their collection here of bags. And it also comes with, I don't know what this is, like thinner book. And it comes with 1, 2, oh, you know what? These are actually kind of like posters, like that. So pretty cool, love it. So this is where you learn about the classics, Speedy, Alma, Papillon, Locket, No Way, Never Full, Bucket, and these are all the Speedies that ever came out. So that's gift number 3 right there. Love it, love it, love it. With the big box there. Packaging is awesome for a $130 book. And number 4, I got my first Fendi yellow bag here. If you are following me in Instagram, you probably already know what it is. So my Instagram handle is in the description box. So if you could follow me, Ritch and Lux, and just we put it back. This is the cute mini Fendi shopper, but in the mini size. You know, all these micro bags pending. I went for it. And it's so cute. I will do another video on what fits in here. You might be surprised, it actually packs a punch. This is the Fendi card right here. Oop, right there. And the box and the dust bag. So yes guys, this is my little new first Fendi piece, and it's the Sunshine Tote in the mini. Let's see if I can take a little bit of a hot shot there. Yep, there we go. So cute, but really nice craftsmanship. I love the color of the leather and everything. So let's do a separate video on this one, what fits in this one. And that's gift number 4. And now gift number 5, orange bag. Well, actually I just used my old paper bag, but this one actually came straight from France. I ordered it through the French website, Hermes. I will also do a separate video on this because this is a backstory on this tiny little thing here. You probably know what it is already, so I'm gonna just open it. But I'm gonna do a separate video about this and how I was able to get this piece with this special personalization here. So you probably guessed it right. It is a small leather goods item, and it is the Bastia coin purse in June ombre, I think is the name of the color. I'm not sure what kind of leather this is, but I don't know if you noticed, there's something special stamped on here. I don't know if you can see. It's just tone on tone, but as I've said, I'm gonna do a separate video on how I was able to do this really special stamping here, personalization. And it got just in time for my birthday. It took about maybe 12 weeks because it takes 8 weeks to do the personalization. And I will do a separate video and tell you more about how I did this and how I got this personalized. So these are my initials right here, RV. And I also got this really small symbol, a horse, because I was born on the year of the horse. So that's number 5. And I'm gonna do another video on that also, and share you how I navigated the French website and how I ordered and how I got it shipped here. All right, so that's for another video though. So make sure to like and subscribe so you can see these upcoming videos. So gift number 5, and last but not least, is this big white box over here. Okay, all right, so gift number 6 is this very big white box here. I don't know if you can guess it. It is my first ever ta-da, Van Cleef item. So I got a small item, but they gave me this really big, nice packaging. So it's just the experience here is so luxe. Look at this big box, and I just got this tiny little box here. So pretty and gorgeous box. But I think there's like stuff also here. This is my first ever luxury jewelry. Well, I do have like Pandora pieces, the gold, especially charms. I guess this is the care card right here, and more the certificate of authenticity right here. So I got this after the price increase, which I was like really kind of regretting because I almost bought it before the price increase, but I wasn't sure. It's been in my cart, and then there's the price increase. So I mean, it was, I believe, $30 to $50 increase from before, so not bad, but still, you know. Anyways, no regrets anymore because I got this really cute box with this very nice sage colored ribbon. I already opened this actually and wore it for my birthday weekend celebration with my, you know, just immediate family. So I just had to rewrap and everything, but I'm opening it again and it's still exciting to open it. It's just the smallest item, and it's so dainty. That's why I got it. And it is the Sweet Alhambra necklace, which, you know, so symbolic because I love pearls, and the mother of pearl here is really stunning and gorgeous, but it's so dainty. That's why I love it. I might want to get the bracelet too in the future, but you know, have to save up first. But yeah, here you go. It's so cute, and I've already worn this too for my birthday, but you know, opening it again is, you know, just gives you that tingly feeling, right? So that's all I got for myself. Oh, and what is this? Oh, this is also the, I just ripped it like that now. I guess this is the travel pouch that came with it. Let's see, maybe we can find some treasure in here. Will be a good filler for Easter, some next coming Easter, huh? It's like a box full of Fendi here and filler. All right, so that's all what I got for myself, and I also wanted to share with you what my husband and kids got me. Nothing big, but I love what they got me. Okay, so these are what I got for my birthday. As I said earlier, we're decorating our built-in in our loft. It's a built-in media center, and I got these coffee table books. This one says the finer things, which, you know, we all love finer things in life. So it's just, I think, anything luxury, architectural designs and all. So just really nice fine things, you know. Love that. And then also I love this one. I love they have the same fabric. I think it's like a linen type of material they used to cover, like, you know, hardbound books. And this is the Architectural Digest at 100, a century of style, it says here. So yeah, I got this one too, and I love it. I love the neutral color, and you know, you probably also have this because this is a very popular coffee table book. And last but not least, another coffee table book they gave me is the Gucci one right here. I love this one because inside you actually find like inserts, like this one right here, which is pretty cool. Like inserts about, wait, there's another one, like really cool vintage looking inserts. And I don't know if you've heard about the Gucci movie coming up with Lady Gaga and the Adam guy, so I'm looking forward to that. This one right here, see, it's so cool. It's just like, so has that vintage vibe to it, like old school paper stuff. So I love this one too. So, and the best thing is my husband got them, well, actually I put them in his cart for Amazon, and he got it on sale, so that's good. So I might try to link it below, all these coffee table books. So yeah, that's all that I got, guys. I will do other videos, so in-depth videos of the things that I got. So there you go, guys. That's all for my birthday haul, and I'm so happy I got all these items. I have been very blessed, you know, with all that's been going on this, you know, pandemic. We are all still so blessed. So I'm also very glad that you guys are there, subscribed. I know it's a little slow for me getting to the 1,000 mark, but slowly but surely I'll get there with your help. Hopefully you can subscribe, because on the next video I will have something for you to look forward to once I get to 1,000 subscribers. All right, thank you guys, and so hopefully you liked my birthday haul. See you on my next video. Bye.